I'm Sam from Fine & Country. Behind me is Churchview House in the delightful South Leicestershire village of Sapcut. This house was built in 2006 to exacting specifications. High quality features, 5 bedrooms and over 4,000 square foot of accommodation. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. Churchview House is built over 3 stories with a large attic room with an optional 6 bedroom and a fine quality kitchen with cherry wood units and marble and granite worktops. There's a beautiful island unit with gorgeous glazing overlooking the gardens and a large dining area. There's an attractive garden at the rear, whilst inside the sitting room there's a contemporary style log burner and patio doors that lead to the rear terrace. There's a games room with windows to the front aspect and a large and convenient study. The first floor landing is galleried and leads to 5 large double bedrooms, including the master suite with its attractive balcony. Stairs that lead off to the second floor and an array of double rooms with attractive views. There's a family bathroom and more double rooms to the frontage, as well as the large attic room, a convenient place for storage, a games room or even cinema. The gardens and plot measure 1/3 of an acre. You join me at the end of the tour where I'm in the south-facing gardens of Churchview House, and behind me you can really appreciate the contemporary style elevations with its glazing and beautiful balcony. But if you'd like to know more or join me for an exclusive viewing, then contact me on the details that are about to follow.